What's good, family? Today I got a tutorial for y'all on how to use the Canon EOS Rebel T7. And I am a beginner, so I'm going to keep the video short and just show y'all how to use each button. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you see here, I have the camera body, the Rebel T7, and the attachable slash detachable lens, which I have the 18 to 55 millimeter, and it actually came with the camera surprisingly, so that was actually pretty cool. To start off, you want to remove the cover off of your lens and also remove the cover off of your body. To attach the lens to the camera body, it's really simple. You just screw, or not even screw, you just simply twist it and listen for the lock so you know it's secure. Heard the lock, boom, camera secure, ready to go. And this cover, it's just to protect your main lens so it doesn't get scratched up or anything. We're not shooting, taking pictures, so I'm going to go ahead and put that back on. So to get started, as you can see up here on the top of your camera, you have the on and off, where you can flip the camera on and off. You have a flash button to pull up the flash. Right here is your shutter dial. If you don't want to go on the display and manually set your shutter speed, you can just use the shutter dial. And this is to capture your picture or start recording. Or actually, that's not. You can only capture pictures with that. And at the top, you have your main dial. M is for manual mode. The A with the plus is for auto. That setting is really good for beginners because all the settings that are built into a camera, which a lot of people get overwhelmed with just seeing, auto just takes away a lot of that just overwhelmingness. The camera sets everything for you. And all the way back here is the main one I use. This little camcorder. Camcorder. It's video mode. So those three are the only ones that I'm going to tell you about today because those are the only three that I really use. You have other options like the fork and knife for food photography or sports or for cars. You know, the camera, it doesn't really give you that look of each setting that it's supposed to. So I don't really use those. The main ones I use is manual, auto, or video mode. With that being said, let's go ahead and flip on our camera. Boom. You have your LCD screen up now. I'm going to twist this over to auto. So boom. You don't have to set anything. You can just take a picture. Call it a day. The lens is on. So yeah, you can't see anything. This button down here, the square with the triangle in it, if you press that, that's how you bring up your gallery. This is the most recent picture I took. So yeah, I mean, it takes pretty good pictures. It's all on who's taking the picture. I always say, don't rely on your gear. It is good to have the highest quality gear, but when you're on a budget, you have to make use of what you have. So don't get stuck comparing yourself to, oh, I have a shitty camera. This guy just bought the newest camera. Oh, my quality's not gonna be that good. Just focus on mastering each setting that you have in your camera, and you know, you'll be able to work with any camera. So with that being said, you have the menu button to pull up your menu. Has multiple things. We're not gonna go through all of them. Like I said, this is just a basics video on what each button does, how to use it. Click over. Has a list of several things. Yeah. So you have your menu button, pull up your menu, close it, pull it back up. Have this one to bring up your gallery of your images. Close it. Then right here, this is the delete button. So say I wanted to delete a picture. I don't like this picture. Delete it, erase, okay. But I'm not gonna delete it because I actually do like the picture. So just gonna press cancel on that. Let's go up to manual, top dial, M, manual mode. So you see the difference, correct? From auto, how the camera set mostly everything for you. Manual mode, you take control of the camera now. Nothing's set for you. This is where you can call yourself a professional if you can master each one of these settings on the fly without having to look at a tutorial or, how do I do this to get the highest quality, video at night or something, or daytime when the sun's overexposed, With auto, the camera can set a lot of that, but still won't give you the highest quality. Manual, once you tweak every setting and you get used to it and you master every setting in your camera on manual mode, you'll get so comfortable with shooting at whatever time of day, night. It's pretty awesome. So that pretty much wraps it up for today. You got your manual mode, your auto, and then your video mode. Video mode is pretty simple. I can switch over real fast just to show you guys. I see it as the same as manual. It just goes from picture mode to video mode. Boom. Pull that up. You still have the options, right? To choose how you want each setting to be while you're shooting a video, right? It's pretty awesome. Now, with video mode, you have to understand, even as a beginner, you cannot set everything in auto. Video mode, you have to manually set your exposure, your aperture, your shutter speed, everything. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, as a beginner, I don't have much to go over and show you guys. I haven't used my camera recently. I've been just having a lot going on. So I'm gonna wrap it up from there and call it a day. Let's take a quick picture before we end the day. Why not? Go ahead and take off your lens cover, right? And I have the 18 to 55 millimeters. Go ahead and pull up what we're at, right? And this is on autofocus. I'll go down to 18. Once again, boom. This is how you capture your image. Take a quick photo. It doesn't matter. Autofocus, right? This button down here to bring up your image. It's not bad. I mean, you can't really tell from right here because of light glare. Sorry about that, working on lighting equipment. But auto, it does a lot of justice. But at the same time, with post-production, you still have to tweak a lot of the overexposure or underexposure. So auto is good for beginners just to get used to your camera. But if you really want to elevate your skills and everything, you want to learn how to use manual mode. So that wraps it up for today. Tutorial on how to use the Canon EOS Rebel T7. You guys stay tuned. There will be more videos dropping. So stay tuned on the channel. Drop my IG links below. And yeah, man, I just want to say good luck to all the beginner, amateur, professional, whatever level you're on. Good luck to everyone that's chasing their dreams. And that's it. We out.